to my new vlog series where I am going to be eating food and exploring with you guys. As you can see today, it is raining, so instead of going somewhere to eat, I am going to eat something that I bought yesterday and share it with you guys. I bought some rice cake. It's tok. It is a traditional rice cake. I got this one. It has a red bean inside. This one that I have never tried before, so I'm not sure what the powder is. My assumption is chestnut, but I guess we will find out together. Okay, let's see. It's very squishy. Ooh. It's very fresh. It's chewy. The red bean is very sweet. I know some of my family, when they hear that it's full of beans, are going to be a little confused, but red bean is used mostly for dessert. Very powdery. I don't know if you can see. It smells really good. It's definitely nutty. It's way chewier than the other one. Still chewing it. Yeah, this one definitely chestnut. It's just the basic tok, the rice cake, covered in the powdered chestnut. It's really good. I think if I added a little bit of sugar on top, this would be like the perfect dessert for me. I love chestnuts. So for both of these, I paid 2,000 won, which is about $1.49 USD. Today the weather is much nicer, so I'm going to take a little walk down here to the cafe right near my apartment. It's such a nice day today, and the view is so nice. You can see the city, and right here, I walk a little bit farther. And this is the cafe. This cafe is called Village 40. The ambiance in here is so calming. There's lots of options for seating, indoor and outdoor. There is a second story. The chandelier is just so beautiful. It's very quiet. I got the chestnut sweetbread. See some sugar on top. Looks very good. And a pine aid with little bits of jelly in it. And the ice cube is a pine cone. So nice. Okay, let's try this. The ice cube was super cute, but it was actually really hard to get my straw all the way in the cup. You can see me struggling quite a few times in this video. This bread
is so good. It's so subtly chestnut and it's very sweet, a little bit of sugar on top. I think for me personally it was a great combo, great choice. And right here is the exact moment I realized there was jelly in my Pineade. The Pineade was very good. Honestly, when I was drinking it, I felt like I was drinking Christmas. It was such a nice, earthy taste, and I really enjoyed it. This place is so close to where I live. I do come here quite a lot, and I like to just sit and soak in the ambiance. It's not usually too busy here, which is a shame because their drinks are very good, and I loved their baked goods so far. And I come here probably too much.
So on my way home, I stopped at a GS25. It's a little convenience store, and I found. Oh my god, it's so cute. So it is a jelly cat. I don't know if you can see with the sun, but it's a little jelly that's shaped like a cat. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I kind of even don't want to eat it. Look at the little ears. Oh my god, it's. I'm having way too much fun like playing with this. It's so. It smells really good too. All right, let's try this. It's so cute. It smells really good. They gave you like this little paper thing. Oh. Mm. Doesn't really taste like much. Kind of just like tastes like jelly, maybe a little bit of like cherry, I think. Yeah, it's a little slight fruit. Oh, now it's all floppy. Oh no. This is definitely the most entertaining thing I've ever eaten. Not super over the top. It was very cheap though, so I mean, just for the entertainment, I don't regret buying it. Alright, I'm gonna finish this now.